Do you want to know how to convert NSF to Yahoo Mail? Download BitRecover Migrator software to easily convert multiple NSF to Yahoo Mail. It is an ultimate solution for converting Lotus Notes NSF to Yahoo Mail without any loss of information. Go to Add File option for choose the Lotus Notes file. After that, go to the saved location and choose the Lotus Notes file. Then, click on the Open button. Now, mark the required file and folder for backup. Now, choose the required Lotus Notes file in the software interface. Click on it to get a complete preview in the software window. After that, go to the Convert option. Select all folder types option. Then, browse the complete saving list options. The software provides more than 25 saving options to download Lotus Notes emails, email, box, PDF, etc. Select Yahoo Mail. Fill the Yahoo email ID and password of your account. Click on the next button to start the process. When the process gets completed, the software provides a complete conversion message. Click on the OK button. The trial edition of the software has limitation: convert only first 25 emails per folder. Go to Yahoo Mail. Here you can see the migrated folder. Click on it. Here you can see the migrated NSF files to Yahoo Mail.